Liam and Dove are home alone.
Easy English listening story for beginners.
The house feels so empty without Mom and Dad.
I know, but we have to be independent, Liam. We can do this.
You're right. Let's start with the laundry. It looks easy.
Okay, put the clothes in the washing machine. I will add the detergent.
Done. Now, how do we turn this thing on?
There are so many options. Synthetics, delicates, quick wash. Which one should we choose?
I don't know. Mom usually just presses one button and it starts.
Maybe this one?
Oh no. Did you break it?
I don't think so. Wait, where is the instruction manual?
I can't find it. Should we call Mom?
No, Mom is busy at the hospital. We should try to solve it ourselves.
Oh, look, Dove. The machine is unplugged.
Seriously? No wonder it didn't work.
Success! We are geniuses!
Maybe not geniuses, but at least we have clean clothes now.
Okay, here's your food. Don't be so greedy.
Dove, do you need help? The ground looks very slippery.
I'm fine, Liam. I just need to... Whoa! Ouch!
Dove, are you okay? What happened?
I slipped. My foot, I think I sprained my ankle. It hurts a lot.
Oh no, don't move. Let me see.
I was too careless. The mud is like ice.
It looks a bit swollen. Can you stand up?
No, I can't put any weight on it.
Don't cry. Lean on me. I will carry you back to the house.
Thanks, Liam. You're a good brother. Even if you wear slippers to school.
Hey, don't remind me. Let's get you some ice and a bandage.
Don't worry, Dove. Chef Liam is almost finished. Dinner is coming.
Are you sure? I smell something burnt.
It's just extra flavor. I'm adding the salt now.
Just a little bit, okay?
Oh no, the lid fell off.
Liam, what happened? Is everything okay?
Yes, everything is fine. Just a small accident. Here it is, my special strong soup.
Liam, this is like drinking seawater. It's way too salty.
You're right. It's terrible. And the carrots are still raw.
And the bottom of the pot is burnt. Look at the black pieces.
I'm a terrible cook. I'm sorry, Dove. You must be so hungry.
It's okay. You tried your best. Why don't we just order a pizza?
That is the best idea I've heard all day. I'll call them right now.
Okay. The soup is in the trash. Let's order pizza for dinner.
Yes, finally. I'm starving. What flavors do they have?
They have seafood, pepperoni, and Hawaiian.
You know I love pineapple. Let's get a Hawaiian pizza.
Of course, a Hawaiian pizza. What size should he get? Small, medium, or large?
I'm very hungry. Let's get a large one. We can eat the leftovers tomorrow.
Good idea. Do you want any extra toppings, like extra cheese or olives?
Just extra cheese, please. And can we get some chicken wings on the side?
Got it. Large Hawaiian, extra cheese, and 6 chicken wings.
Don't forget to ask about the delivery time. I don't want to wait for an hour.
Hello? I'd like to place an order for delivery, please. Yes, a large Hawaiian. How long will it take? 30 minutes. Great.
30 minutes. I can wait for that. Thanks, Liam.
Wow, that smells incredible. Is that garlic and ginger?
Hello, Liam. Yes, it is. I am making braised pork and stir-fried vegetables.
But Dove, your foot. You should be resting on the sofa.
I'm fine. I'm sitting on this stool, so my foot is relaxed. I couldn't let you cook again, Liam.
Hey, I tried my best. But look at you. You are a master chef.
Can you help me? Please chop some spring onions and mince the garlic.
Yes, boss. I will be your assistant chef.
Good. Now steam the rice and set the table. Dinner will be ready in 10 minutes.
You make it look so easy. Everything looks so appetizing.
It's all about the seasoning, Liam. A little bit of sugar, a little bit of fish sauce.
This is the best meal I've had all week. You're amazing, Dove.
Thanks, Liam. Now let's eat before it gets cold.
I'm back. I got everything. Milk, eggs, and your green onions.
Oh, thank you, Liam. Let me see.
See? Long and green, just like you asked.
Liam, these are not green onions. These are leeks.
What? But they look exactly the same. They have green tops and white bottoms.
No, they don't. Green onions are thin and small. These leeks are huge and thick.
Oh no, I thought they were just giant green onions. Is there a big difference?
Yes, the flavor is different. Leeks are much milder. I can't put these raw in the soup.
I'm so sorry. The supermarket was crowded and I was in a hurry.
It's okay. It's a common mistake. They are in the same family after all.
Well, what should we do with these giant onions then?
Don't worry. I can make a potato leek soup instead. It's very healing.
Phew, you really are a master chef, Dove.
Did you hear that? What was that noise?
I heard it. It came from the backyard.
Is someone outside? Is it a burglar?
I don't know. Stay here, Dove. I'll go check.
No, don't go alone. It's too dark out there.
I have to check. Don't worry. I'll be brave.
Be careful, Liam.
Who's there? Show yourself.
Do you see anything?
Oh my goodness.
What is it? Why are you laughing?
Look, Dove, it's just a stray cat. It knocked over your mother's ceramic pot.
A cat? All that fear for a cat?
Yeah, he looks as scared as we were.
My heart is still racing. Let's lock the door tightly and go to sleep.
Good idea. I think we have a problem, Dove. We don't have any clean plates left for dinner.
Oh my, it's a disaster. We should have washed them every day.
Don't worry, I'll do it. You just sit down and rest your ankle.
Are you sure? You look tired.
I'm fine. How hard can it be? Just some soap and water. This grease is very stubborn. I need more dish soap.
Be careful, Liam. The plates are very slippery.
Oh no,
What happened? Did you hurt yourself?
I'm okay, but I broke a glass. It slipped right out of my hands.
Don't touch the broken glass with your bare hands. Use a broom and a dustpan.
I'm so sorry, Dove. That was Mom's favorite glass.
It's okay, Liam. Accidents happen. At least you are not bleeding.
I'll be much more careful now. I think I prefer cooking over doing the dishes.
Liam, the roses and the vegetable patch look very thirsty. Can you water the plants, please?
No problem. I can handle a garden hose. It's much easier than washing dishes.
Be careful with the nozzle. The water pressure is very strong.
Don't worry, Dove. I'm a professional gardener now. Here we go.
Liam, hold it tight.
Whoa, this thing is heavy. Oh my God.
Oh my goodness, Liam.
Well, the plants are watered, and so am I.
You look like you just went swimming with your clothes on.
At least it's a hot day. The water feels quite refreshing.
Go inside and change your clothes. I'll finish the rest from here.
I think I'm better at eating fruit than growing it. This dinner is okay, but something is missing.
I know what you mean. The house is too quiet without Mom and Dad's voices.
I really miss Mom's braised pork and eggs. Nobody makes it like her.
And I miss Dad's morning coffee. The smell always wakes me up so happily.
I used to complain when Mom asked me to wash the vegetables. Now I wish she was here to tell me what to do.
Being independent is much harder than it looks, isn't it?
Yes, it's not just about the chores. It's about the warmth of the family.
Don't be sad.
You're right. Should we wake up early and prepare a surprise for them?
Great idea. Let's clean the house one last time and make some tea.
And I promise I won't break any more glasses.
It's a deal. Let's finish our dinner and get to work.
Finally, time to relax. Let's watch the Action Movie channel. There's a new superhero film on.
Oh no, Liam, not an action movie. My head hurts. Can we watch a romance or a comedy? Something light?
A romance. Boring. I want something exciting to wake me up. How about a horror movie?
No way. I'm already scared because of that cat in the garden last night. I won't be able to sleep.
Okay. No horror. But I don't want to watch a healing drama right now. I need energy.
How about a game show or a travel documentary about Japan?
A documentary? That feels like school. Wait, what about a cartoon? Like an old classic?
A cartoon? Actually, that sounds fun. It's funny and nostalgic.
Great. Let's watch the one with the cat and the mouse. It's a classic.
It's a deal, but you have to bring the popcorn.
Deal. I'll be back in 2 minutes. Don't change the channel. Oh no, Mom and Dad will be home in 2 hours. Look at this mess.
Quick, grab the vacuum cleaner. I will wipe the dust off the table and the TV.
Where is the trash bag? We need to hide these pizza boxes immediately.
It's in the cupboard under the sink. Hurry, Liam. The house smells like pepperoni.
Got it. What about these clothes on the sofa?
Just fold them quickly and put them in the basket. Don't just throw them in the bedroom.
I'm trying, but there's so much dog hair on the rug.
Use the linolefid hair. And please straighten the cushions on the sofa.
I'm doing my best. Are the dishes done?
Yes, I finished the dishes. But we need to mop the floor. It's very sticky from the soda last night.
I see a car. Is that them?
No, it's just the neighbor. Phew, we still have 90 minutes.
Okay, let's go faster. Teamwork makes the dream work.
And it makes the house clean. Let's go.
I want to give Mom some flowers. She loves nature, and these will make her so happy.
Which ones are you picking, Liam?
They are very green and fresh.
Liam, those are not flowers. Those are coriander from the vegetable patch.
Well, they are still green. At least they smell like her favorite soup.
Wait, Liam, look at the yellow flowers behind you. Those are sunflowers. Pick those instead.
Oh, okay. These are much... Is that a bee?
Yes, don't move. It's a honeybee.
Get away. Shoo. Help.
Don't run in circles. Come inside, quick.
That bee was huge. It was a monster.
Did it sting you?
No, I'm too fast for a bee. But I dropped the coriander.
It's okay. Look, the taxi is here. Mom and Dad are home.
Forget the flowers. Let's just give them a big hug.